Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix printer problems in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Devices. Click Printers and Scanners. Click Manage. Click Run the Troubleshooter. Second method is type services.msc in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Printer Spooler Service, Stop Service. Copy path from description, paste it into Windows search bar. Click Folder. Delete all files. Restart Printer Spooler Service. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click Print Queues. Right-click Printer, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for updated driver software. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.